Today, I am showing you how to run a message trace in Office 365. For this, we're gonna need to go in Exchange Admin Center, Mail Flow on the left, Message Trace. We're gonna start the trace. In our case, the user, Natalia, said they didn't receive an external email from a Gmail today. So we're gonna select the day, today. Um, and because the user doesn't have too many emails, we're gonna select the summary report. If we need an extended for more troubleshooting, we can select and we're gonna download the CSV file. We're gonna click search. In our case, we see the Gmail account, we click, we review for if the email was delivered, it failed, expanded, quarantine, redirected, and so on. In our case, the email was delivered and was delivered to a specific folder, personal, because user created an inbox rule um, in in his Outlook. We're gonna go back to the user and ask for the user to look in Outlook, like in our case, user goes in his Outlook, checks if he has a personal folder created. If he has, we're gonna click and we're gonna find um, his email. If the message is missing in our message trace, we're gonna check quarantine. We're gonna check transport rules, connectors, SPF. Um, we'll see if the mailbox exists, where it's shared, etc. If you want more Microsoft 365 admin tutorials, please subscribe because I post it regularly. Thank you.